welcome to our channel KilbilHouse. Today we have brought a riddle challenge for you. This video contains 10 riddles of Who Am I? You can guess the answer in 5 seconds. Please mention your answer in comment section. So let's start. Riddle 1. What do you call a guy with no arms and no legs at your front door? Answer: mat. Riddle 2. What will break if you throw it off the highest building in the world, but it will break if you place it in the ocean? Answer: a tissue. Riddle 3. There was a greenhouse. Inside the greenhouse there was a white house. Inside the white house there was a red house. Inside red house there were lots of babies. What is it? Answer: watermelon. Riddle 4. Almost everyone sees me without noticing. For what is beyond is what he or she seeks. What am I? Answer: a window. Riddle 5. Dark with might walking and smooth like a rock. Well, on your kiosk, I help to convey thought. Who am I? Answer: a blackboard. Riddle 6. What has a head and brown tail but has no legs? Answer: coin. Riddle 7. If you have it, you want to share it. If you share it, you don't have it. What is it? Answer: secret. Riddle 8. What demands an answer but asks no question? Who am I? Answer: a telephone. Riddle 9. Who is that runs without a leg and his house on his back? Answer: snail. Riddle 10. I can go up and down but cannot move. Who am I? Answer: a staircase. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe.